Hello everyone. Today we are going to make extremely soft and puffy fulkas. Fulkas are also called as chapati or roti. Come, let's make fulka today.
சாப்பாடு என்னைக்குமே நமக்காக காத்திருக்க கூடாது. நாம தான் சாப்பாடுக்காக காத்திருக்கணும்.
To make fulka, we need to take a bowl and add 1 cup of wheat flour. To this, we need to add the required amount of salt and mix it all well. Now we need to start adding the water. But we need to add little water at a time. We need to keep mixing the wheat flour by adding water as needed. While mixing the wheat flour, if it is dry, we can add some water, and if it is sticky, we can add some wheat flour. We need to mix it all well and knead it into a soft dough. Once we have kneaded a soft dough, we must rest it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we need to knead it once. Now we have to separate the dough into small balls. We have to take a rolling board, sprinkle some wheat flour over it. Now we need to take the dough and start rolling it. While rolling the chapati, we need to concentrate on the corners rather than the center. If the center part becomes too thin, then the chapatis won't puff up. Chapati should always be cooked on high flame. Now we need to place the rolled chapati over the hot griddle. We need to cook that side just for 4 seconds. Now we need to flip the chapati and cook the second side really well till it puffs up. After this, we are going to cook the chapati on direct flame. We need to place the uncooked side over the flame. We need to cook this side till it puffs up. Now with the help of a pair of tongs, we need to flip the chapatis. We need to cook this side as well till it puffs up. Finally, we need to apply some ghee or clarified butter over it. That's it. Hot, super soft and delicious fulkas are ready. These fulkas will be super soft for a long time. Finally, let's look at some tips for making soft and fluffy chapati. The dough should be soft. It must rest for 15 minutes. It should be rolled evenly. It has to be cooked on high flame, and the first side of the chapati should be cooked on the griddle only for a few seconds. So, try this method of making fulkas and do give us your valuable comment and feedback. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly subscribe. And do press the bell icon so that you get the notification whenever we upload a new video. If you find our today's video useful, kindly hit like. And do share it with those who are interested in cooking. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you soon.